There's a man shadow, and I used to see him everywhere. And when I was very young, I used to say to my sister, like, whatever I want I can have because he'll bring it for me. And I feel like he's back again.
Why do you think he's back again?
The other day, last week, my husband wasn't at home in the night, and I find it hard to look at my husband. He tells me to look at him, and I find it very hard to look at him. And I try to pray, and sometimes I can't move. I can't get up and move to pray.
Is it Fatima, is it?
Who are you? Which man? I said which man?